In this video, I'll be comparing HealthNet and Anthem Blue Cross on covered California. I'm going to break it down in plain English, no confusing insurance jargon. So by the end of the video, you will understand the key differences between these two carriers and which one might be the better fits for you. I'm Sebastian. I talk with people every day about their health insurance, and I've had countless of conversations with individuals and families who feel overwhelmed by all of their choices. But my job is to make this as simple as possible so that you can make a confident decision. So first off, quick context. Covered California is your state's health insurance marketplace. It's where you can shop for health insurance, compare plans, and a lot of times get financial help to lower your monthly costs. Now here's something that a lot of people don't realize. When you are shopping on Covered California, the benefits are standardized. For example, a Silver 70 plan with HealthNet has the same deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket maximums as a Silver 70 plan with Anthem Blue Cross. So if the benefits are identical, what makes the difference? It really comes down to one thing: the network, right? Meaning the doctors, specialists, and hospitals that you can actually see. So let's start with HealthNet. One of HealthNet's biggest advantages is that they offer both HMO and PPO models on Covered California. PPOs are getting pretty rare on Covered California, and HealthNet is one of the few carriers that still has them. And why does that matter? Well, with the PPO, you don't need referrals to see a specialist. You have more freedom to choose doctors and hospitals. And for people who already have long-standing doctors that don't accept HMOs, or maybe you travel frequently within California, that flexibility can make a huge difference. The trade-off is the cost, right? HealthNet's PPO plans are usually more expensive than their HMO plans, but compared to Blue Shield's PPO, not Blue Cross, but Blue Shield, because they are different companies in California, HealthNet often comes in cheaper, which makes them much more of an attractive option for cost-conscious people who still want the benefits of a PPO. By the way, if you're not sure which Covered California plan is right for you, I'd be happy to personally assist you. Just click the first link in the description and book your free call. Now let's look at Anthem Blue Cross. Anthem offers HMO and EPO plans on Covered California. They don't currently offer PPOs through the exchange, but their EPO works somewhat like a middle ground between HMO and PPO. With an EPO, you don't need referrals to see a specialist, which is nice, but you are still limited to Anthem's contracted network of doctors and hospitals. Out-of-network care isn't covered except in emergencies. So what makes Anthem stand out? Well, their EPO plans give you access to the BlueCard network, and that's a nationwide program that allows Anthem members to see Blue Cross Blue Shield providers in other states. That's a pretty big deal for people who travel a lot, maybe live part-time in another state, or just want the peace of mind knowing that they'd be covered outside of California. In terms of pricing, Anthem's HMO plans usually land in a similar range to HealthNet's HMO plans. EPO plans, on the other hand, can be a bit pricier, but where Anthem really pulls ahead is if you're comparing HealthNet's PPO. Since PPOs almost come in at a higher cost, Anthem can be the more affordable option if you're comfortable with an HMO or a PPO style plan. So the big question is, what really matters more to you, right? If you want the flexibility of a PPO, but at a lower cost than Blue Shield, HealthNet may be the right choice. But if you want the affordability with the added benefit of the Blue Card for out-of-state access, Anthem might be the better fit. Now, both carriers can be good options. It really just depends on your priorities, flexibility versus price, and how important out-of-state coverage is for your situation. And again, if you're not sure which Covered California plan is right for you, I'd be happy to personally assist you. Just click that first link in the description and book your free call.